In this video, I'll show you how to use bullet lists in ClickUp. To get started, open the ClickUp doc task or comment where you want to create a bullet list. Bullet lists make your notes, task descriptions, comments, and ClickUp docs easier to read by organizing information into clear, easy to scan points. Hover your mouse over the docs sheet and then click Start Writing. Next, click the plus button on the left side. On the formatting toolbar, click the bulleted list icon. A bullet point will be inserted. Type your first item, and then press enter to create another bullet point and continue adding items to your list. Repeat this process until you've added everything you need. If you want to create a nested bullet under an existing item, press tab to indent the bullet. Once you've finished, simply click outside the editor or save your changes if required. Using bullet lists makes your notes more organized and easier to read, especially when creating checklists, outlining ideas, documenting meeting notes, or listing important information. And that's how you use bullet lists in ClickUp. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.